Hey guys, so I just wanted to show you what these knives look like in the Kydex, all finished up and pretty. There's the EDC clip point. I really like how this one came out. The multifaceted handle came out really cool. And it feels really comfortable in hand too. It's just the perfect size for EDC. Fits really nice in there. No wiggle. Here's the larger one. Now, I really didn't like this design when I started it, but it's kind of grown on me. If I had to make a bushcraft knife for myself, this is what I would make, because I hate the traditional looking bushcraft knife. They're just so plain and boring looking. It's just not appealing to me. But this one's got all the right curves in all the right places. I really like this one. It took a while to grow on me, but now I do. So I also have the spear point version of this coming up pretty soon. I fixed the profile of it that I didn't like. It was just a little hump on the spine that was making it look weird, but it looks good now. I got it at home. It's going to be my next project, along with a friction folder, which is going to be a first for me, and that'll be a fun build. I also have a hidden tang design that I want to try this week. So if everything goes right, and if I actually remember to do it, I'll record that process of forging out the blade and the tang, so you guys can see how it's done. But that's it for right now. Happy Monday.